as coaches, our primary responsibility is to help people self-actualize. Let the people find the objectives that they want to pursue and the methodologies that they would employ to pursue those objectives so that they can become the person they want to be. This is a noble task, not an easy task. In this process, we are helped immensely by good tools which help people find where their current reality is. The Emotional Intelligence Certification Workshop from the 21st to the 23rd of May this year, being held at India Habitat Center, Delhi, and facilitated by me, will certify you on a tool which is the Skills for Career and Life Effectiveness acronym scale. This tool was created by two professors at A&M University, Texas, USA, after 30 years of research, Dr. Gary Lowe and Dr. Darwin Nelson. I have been partnering them on helping people get certified on this tool so that they can help others to assess themselves and coach them on what they want to be and where they are vis-a-vis, as evident from the self-assessment tool. 30 years of good research, even more, has ensured that it is robust. The scale tool has been used widely and the research has been validated by many doctoral thesis work at US. Tens of thousands of people have used this tool. In the AI workshop, the coaches will also learn many other tools like self-compassion, resilience, assertiveness, self-regulation, cognitive empathy, effective empathy, priming, and so on and so forth. They will be able to use these tools in their regular either training or coaching workshops. Apart from that, the best part of this workshop is that you will also get all the material that I shall employ for helping you learn so that you can be self-equipped and self-reliant after the workshop to replicate it all over the country. I've trained thousands of managers in India, and with a great deal of authority can validate that this is a workshop which will help you grow your capacity immensely as a coach, as a trainer. Look forward to your nominations from the 21st to the 23rd of May at Delhi. My email ID is given in the comments box. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.